Hey there guys, welcome to Killian's Corners. This is the website I created for my PLN site. So this is the homepage that you'll see when you enter the link. I decided to have this as a banner just because I thought it looked a lot cleaner and nicer than to have a split screen. But if you click down here, I do have a little bio about myself. It is short right now. As I get more professional experience, I hope to add to it and make it a little longer. I have social media accounts down here. Again, I hope to make that a little bit longer too as I connect with more people and I create more accounts to connect and expand the web. Under this home, I do have videos that I've created on my YouTube channel. Again, on Oregon Trail, Fun Brain, and PhET. And then the rise of STEM learning versus STEAM learning. If you haven't gotten a chance to watch that, I think it's a very informative video. Not just for people in the science profession, but in all the other fields as well. And then I have my philosophies of teaching and of technology. There I just put the docs straight on so you can read them on here, or if you'd like to open them in your own doc, you certainly can. And my philosophy of technology is currently not entered in. It should be up in the next week or so. It just needs a couple of tweaking, and then I can upload it when it is done. And again, that's something that's on my site but will always be changing. My next little tab is unit plans and lesson plans. So I made this middle school unit plan that has my philosophy of teaching in it, an LEP, a block plan for the year, 5 lesson plans, and then a unit assessment that's formative and it has 2 different options along with 2 rubrics for those options. And then I have a high school food web lesson plan. That's just a lesson plan. There's no assessment except for the exit ticket. So it's more of a summative assessment. And then I have my science amazing race document. That's just kind of a fun activity for students to do. I shared those because for other professionals out there, if that they needed ideas of lesson plans or if they just wanted to simply take them and use them. And for myself, so I have them stored somewhere just in case something happens and I lose those documents. My last tab is additional resources. This tab I made for links to websites that I wanted quick access to or that I thought were good resources to have for other people to have quick access to. So again, PhET, Edpuzzle, and FunBrain, websites that I've all talked about before. Wikication, I feel, is a really good website for professionals to use so they can add to the site if they so choose. They can edit the site if they so choose, or they can just look at what's up there right now and see if they find anything that they like. HMI is more of a straight biology website. Not many other courses could necessarily use this besides the science, but because I am a future science teacher, I feel like that is what is needed for my website. So again, just different videos on this website, different lesson plans and stuff around that. And go back to my homepage. And that is my website. I hope to add to it and I hope to connect with more people and keep adding it. And so if you come back in the next few months or even the next few weeks, it might look completely different. And I hope that you enjoyed the tour of Miss Killian's Corners. Have a good day.